Don't want 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 Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Alright guys, so the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face. I have already, did my skincare routine. It's very important for you to have is prime my face. I don't always do this, but today I feel like doing it. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It is dewy. This is what it looks like. My eyebrows, so I'm going to take my NYX eyebrow gel. This color is Espresso, so this is what it looks like. And I'm going to do my eyebrows as soon as I find my brush. With concealer, put it underneath my eyes. And as you can see, I'm not using a lot of that one, and I'm going to take this Nicka K New York. I'm going to take this, the pointy end of this blender brush, I'm going to take so that I can really get underneath that eye there. I normally don't use concealer. Shit, I shouldn't have done that, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline New York powder in the color medium, number 2, loose powder. And if it wants to focus, it doesn't want to focus, whatever. I'm gonna take the pointy end and powder gets every freaking where. Alright, so now that I have done that, I'm going to take my e.l.f. powder brush. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna, blend that in. Here we are. Alright, so we're done with that. Now I'm going to contour. I'm going to do my eyeshadow last. You know what? I probably should have did the eyeshadow first in case I messed up with the foundation, but whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. This is what it looks like. Woohoo! I like this because this is what it looks like on the inside. So it has contour, sculpt, and illuminate to contour. So this is the shape of it. It's really hard, but not in a bad way, like a good way. So I'm going to take the contour color, which is fairly dark. I'm really going to get that on that brush. And then I'm going to contour almost everywhere you can think of. Eyeshadow primer I'm going to use is by Hard Candy. I got this from like Walmart. I think it was like maybe $2. Here's what it looks like. And I'm going to take my concealer brush because I don't want to do anything weird. Make it precise. No, it didn't. Alright, well, I'm going to take that.
So I'm going to use these two palettes. This is Beauty Creation Seduce Me palette, and this is, of course, the Auntie Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So what I'm going to do is basically use the base colors from Jackie Aina's palette, and then I'm going to use basically the sparkly colors from the Beauty Creations palette. Okay, so I'm going to take this Beauty Creations blending brush, and I'm going to take the Jackie Aina palette. I just messed that up. So the first color I'm going to take is Ginger. This color basically kind of blends in with my skin. Edges here. And I'm just going to take a little bit and put that on the inside. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to use the color Bite Me. So now I'm going to go back to the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to take my blending brush because I want to apply a little bit more to the outer lid. So I'm going to take, where is it? Edges here. I'm going to take edges again and just get here's what Zam looks like. This is Zam, and I'm going to take a little bit of Soleil just because I'm feeling a little extra. I'm going to take, this is brand new Beauty Creations Bake Pops. It is their highlighter, and when you open it up, as you can see, it's these marbleized colors. My BB brush, it's somewhat kind of angled, and I'm going to take this color here. And to take this color here. To use a bunch of colors, so don't judge me. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Blonde, and then I'm going to just use that to go straight down my nose, and then I'm going to use it over there to kind of blend it with that, and then I'm going to put it here, my brow bone. So I'm going to take my Nicka K lip pencil in the color Coffee. And I'm gonna line my lips. Now I'm going to take my Kiss New York cushion lipstick in the color Gossip. Here's what it looks like. And okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. It's like real beat up. My e.l.f. Lord, what's the word? Makeup setting spray. There we go. I'm just gonna spray it. Ooh. Y'all, I think it's time for another one. That one's kind of funky smelling. I don't think I'm gonna use that one no more. Okay.